Hey squad, it's Nikki, your favorite life insurance agent and entrepreneur, and I help secure life solutions. So let's talk about it today. It is all over the news right now. Currently, if you watch Real Housewives of Atlanta.
Now I'll ask the question.
Yeah. Okay, good.
So, Bri, how did you come about losing your license?
So this is what's going on. Because of all of the backlash and the defamation, I'm under an investigation with my insurance license. So you don't lose them immediately. It doesn't work that way.
Awesome.
So what was that, Angela?
I said I thought so.
Well,
And everybody is wondering, how can you lose your license, right? Whether you're starting out or a few years in the game, this topic is a must know, okay? How do agents lose their insurance license and how can you avoid it? Because trust me, it doesn't take a scam to end your career. Sometimes it's one overlooked detail or just poor choice. So let's break it down so your license and your legacy stay intact. Stay tuned. Part 1, the number way to lose your license: fraud and misrepresentation. First up, and it should go without saying, fraud is a career killer. That includes falsifying client information, alternating signatures, and making false promises. Even little white lies can count. It mislead the client or company is fraud. Bottom line, be honest and always protect you and your clients. Part 2, mishandling clients' money. Now, back in the day, your insurance agent sometimes used to actually go to your grandma's house, your great-grandma's house, and collect the payment. We don't do that no more, okay? Everything is automatic draft, okay? So if you're still out here collecting premiums by check, it better go directly to the carrier, okay? Not to your account. You can't hold it or you can't borrow it. That is misappropriation. Even worse, some agents will pocket the money and never send it to the insurance company. I actually, when I first started my career in 2018, I actually ran across a member, and she was like, this man was collecting her money faithfully every month. We called the insurance company and they said there was no policy at all. She was heartbroken. And I pray that nobody have to go through that. And if you are an agent and if you're doing that, just know that get ready for jail, because you can go to jail for that. That is fraud, okay? So, and then also your license will be revoked as well. So do right. Part 3, privacy and compliance mistakes. Don't sleep on compliance. Violating client privacy, ignoring data protection, not following HIPAA laws, especially with health insurance, can get you in big trouble. So lock your files, don't gossip about client situations, and treat their info like it's gold. So as an insurance agent, sometimes I give an example. However, I'm never going to go into detail as far as I'm never going to go into detail and release any of the client's information. Part 4, criminal activity and ethics violations. Got a criminal conviction, especially one involving money and dishonesty? You must report it to your state's Department of Insurance. If you don't, they will find out and you risk losing your insurance license. Even without a conviction, repeated consumer complaints or unethical sales can trigger an investigation. Think long term. One short-term sale is not worth your license or application. Part 5, neglecting the basics. CE and licensing issue. And CE is short for continued education. Don't let your policy lapse. That means keeping your continued education up to date. Renew on time. Don't sell in states you're not licensed in. Yes, it's admin work, but slipping here is an easy way to get fined or worse, suspended. Part 6, how to protect your license. So how do you protect your license and your brand? Be transparent with your clients. Stay compliant with your carrier and your state. Ask questions if you're unsure. Document everything. And never take shortcuts. Your license is your livelihood. Treat it as your biggest asset. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk on life insurance, entrepreneurship, and building your brand with integrity. Got a question about something you're unsure of? Drop in the comment section. I got you. This is Nikki, your favorite life insurance agent, sounding off with one reminder. Protect your people, protect your purpose, and protect your license. And remember, there's no limit to your success. Later, squad.